Henry Ford is considered one of the great minds of business. Ford was first inspired as a young boy when he saw a steam traction engine. This piece of farm equipment ran on steam and didn't need to be pulled by horses. However, it was slow and cumbersome, but did give Ford vision for the future. The problem with early automobiles is that they weren't mass-produced. This made the early cars much more expensive and only something that the wealthy bought. That's where Henry Ford wanted to make change. Henry Ford wanted to bring the automobile to the average American worker. Ford failed in his first 2 attempts at a business, but each failure was an opportunity for him to learn from his mistakes, which he did. Henry Ford would go on to build one of the most successful auto businesses in history. He would go on to build a car that was affordable but did not lose any of the quality. Ransom Olds used the assembly line. However, Henry Ford perfected the use of the assembly line. It was this perfection of the assembly line process that made Henry Ford one of the great minds in business and one of the most successful in the auto industry. Ford got his idea of using a moving assembly line when he saw the use of conveyor belts at a slaughterhouse, specifically Swift & Company's slaughterhouse. Instead of the workers moving down the assembly line, conveyor belts would have the parts to the car moving down the line, and Ford's workers simply had to assemble. Ford is considered a great mind because he didn't let failure get him down. He learned from his mistakes, and he used what he knew worked, such as the ideas of the assembly line and conveyor belts, in order to make an affordable automobile that all Americans could buy.